Hi everyone, welcome back to Vibes and Decor with Ebunwa. Yay! So today we are talking interior design style. Do you know your interior design style? Are you a bohemian kind of girl? Are you a Scandinavian kind of guy? Are you industrial? Are you rustic? Or you don't even know what I'm talking about? Okay, we all have our styles in interior design, and today you're going to find out which one is yours, because we're going to be discussing how these styles suit our personality. So the last time you went on Pinterest to download a picture, you probably downloaded a picture because it suits you, it suits your taste, which means that is probably your style. So now you just have to know what that style entails and what you need to achieve that kind of style. So let's get straight into this video, and please don't forget to drop your comments. Don't forget to ask questions in the comment section. That is why I'm here. Let's relate. So guys, let's get straight into this video. Welcome back. So as usual, I'll be dropping pictures on the screen for you to understand what I'm talking about. So the first interior design style we're going to be talking about is the mid-century modern. So as the name implies, this is the interior design style that was trendy in the mid-centuries. We're talking the 1940s to the 1970s. And yes, people still love this style. People still resonate with this style. People still use the style in their interior design. This interior design entails functionality, simplicity, and nature. So in this interior design, the color palette is usually warm and vibrant. We have colors like orange, we have green, mustard, olive, colors that has to do with nature and natural things. So in this kind of interior design, also the furnitures are usually very functional and also very crafty. So these furnitures have warm tones of wood finishes, dark timber. If you're someone that loves innovation, you're someone that loves nature, you love wood finishes in your furnitures, you love functionality also, you also love high quality pieces, the mid-century modern might just be your style of interior design. The next design style is the Scandinavian interior design style. This style is inspired by the Nordic lifestyle of countries like Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Iceland. This interior design style is all about clean lines, unique pieces, and functionality. The furniture pieces in this type of design style actually serve as the ornament pieces, because these furnitures are usually in light wood tones, light wood pieces that do not have lots of details, but at the same time they are pleasing to the eyes. So if you're somebody that love clean lines, you love bright spaces, you love unique pieces, you love unique styles, you love light wood tones, this might just be the style for you, because this style also encourages the uses of fur fabrics like fur, linen, cotton to just add depth to the space, and this also makes the space very, very cozy. So if that is kind of your style, then Scandinavian interior design style might just be your style. So the next design style is the industrial style. Industrial style, as the name implies, is a design that brings back the era when manufacturing and raw materials were appreciated. So this style simply displays all the raw materials that we consume. Raw materials like bricks, like wood finishes, like marble, like stainless steel, and raw materials like that we usually cover up with paint. Industrial style exposes all these raw materials as the style concept. So this style, the color palette is usually like white, black, gray, because these neutral colors tend to go with these exposed raw materials. So if you're somebody that loves to see raw materials in your space, you love the feel of brick, you love texture, you love the feel of turning something old into something new, then industrial style might just be your style. The next style we are discussing is the glam design style. As the name implies, glam design style is fancy, it's pretty, it's extravagant, it's glamorous. The color palette in this space is usually white, gray, cream, and it also brings in metallic tones like gold, silver, crystals, and so on. So if you're somebody that loves glamorous spaces, you love mirrored furnitures, you love shining pieces, then this style might just be what you've been looking for. So now you know the name is Glam design. So this style, like the name implies, is glamorous. The next design style we're discussing is the contemporary design style. Contemporary design style embodies simplicity, sophistication, simple lines, and modern furnitures. If you're somebody that loves trendy designs, you love items or designs that are in vogue, then contemporary design might just be your style. Contemporary design style does not stay in one place. It changes with time, it changes with trends. So let's say something that is trendy last year might not be trendy this year, which means if you're into contemporary style, you love to update your space, you love to change your item into more trendy items. The color scheme in this design are usually black, white, grays, and neutrals like that because they play well, they are clean, they are simple, they are modern. So contemporary design style is relative in my opinion. What is contemporary last year might not be contemporary this year because it changes with trends. So if you're into trends, you're into furnitures that are in vogue, you're into decor pieces that are in style, contemporary style might just be your style. The next design style is the rustic design style. Oftentimes people confuse rustic and industrial style, but rustic style uses raw materials in their most natural state, in their most organic state. So rustic, instead of using raw materials like bricks in industrial style, rustic actually use natural elements in their most organic form. Elements like rock, elements like plants, elements like wood, and so on are what embodies rustic design. So rustic design is very earthy, it uses earthy colors. So if you're somebody that loves to be in touch with nature, you love rock, you love natural items in your space, you wood textures, the raw form, you love rock textures, the raw form, then rustic design might just be what you're looking for. Another interior design style is the minimalist design style. Minimalist design style was inspired by the less is more concept. Minimalist design style is a style that appreciates simplicity and functionality. So in minimalist design style, every item and every furniture has a purpose and function. In fact, most of the items in minimalist space are usually multi-purpose. They are usually multifunctional in order to maximize the space, because this design embodies open space, clean lines, functional space, no clutter, no unnecessary items. Just what you need is what is needed in that space. If you don't need it, if you don't use it, then it has no reason to be in the space. That is what minimalism is about. So minimalism, the color palettes in minimalism are usually monochromatic. You have white, you have black, you have gray. They also use plants here and there to add a little bit of texture to the space. So if you're somebody that loves practical space, you love your simple lines, you love clean house, you love uncluttered space, practical living, no nonsense living, minimalism might just be a style. If you have any questions so far, please don't forget to drop the questions in the comment section. The next design style we are discussing is the traditional design style. So think back to when you're growing up, the living room in your grandma's house, the living room in your house growing up as a child, the curtains, the chairs, the rugs, how everything was just floral, patterned, cozy, classic. Everything seems to be apart, but at the same time they work together, they match together. That is traditional design style. Traditional style sticks to the basic. You have lots of floral patterns, you have lots of prints, you have lots of colors in the space, but at the end they all matches and work together as a piece in the space. So traditional design style is the kind of style that you think of when you want to start a place for elderly people. It doesn't mean that is restricted to elderly people. It's just more relating to, they relate more to it because it's cozy and it's colorful but not too shiny. The last design style we're going to be talking about in this video is the boho style. This is the short form for the bohemian design style. So if you're somebody that loves to collect items, you love unconventional colors, you love textures, you love fabrics, you love your space to not be too orderly, you love it cluttered, at the same time colorful and beautiful, bohemian style might just be your style. The furnitures and items in the bohemian style are usually filled with embellishments, rich textures. It's just so rich, pop of colors. You know, sometimes it feels like a cultural setting because of all the items, because of all the ornaments and elements that come into play together. But really, it's just an unconventional design style that embraces people that love colors, that love pop of nature. Thinking of bohemian style alone is just liberating. So if that is kind of your design style, then you're a bohemian kind of person. So there are still lots of design style in interior design. We still have coastal design style, we have farmhouse, and lots like that, but we cannot discuss everything in this video. So if you love this video so far and you want me to still discuss more of these design styles, let me know in the comment section. And if you have questions about all these designs that we've stated, also let me know in the comment section. And if you feel like I did not mention your design style in this video, let me know in the comment section. So if this video has been very helpful to you, please click the like button, and you can consider subscribing to this channel because lots of beautiful videos like this come up every Sunday. So guys, before I go, I would like to let you know that interior design is not rigid, it's very flexible. You can have more than one design style. You might be a minimalism with a touch of Scandinavian kind of person. You can bring this style together. You might be somebody that loves Scandinavian style, but you still want pop of colors, you still want textures in your space. It all boils down to what you want and what you like. There is no single or simple rule to these things. You just have to work with what you have, work with what you love, but at the end of the day, make sure that you have a cohesive space. That is the point of this channel, to help you figure out this journey of your interior design. So guys, this is where we're going to be calling it a day today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I'll see you in my next video, because that you're going on a field trip. What does that mean? Well, click the video when you see it. Bye.